Okay, we have an old, possibly pre-70s Troybilt horse. The engine's been removed. It's a replacement engine. Been removed from the casting that lifts it up and down. And everything is pretty frozen on here. We had to work on it and eventually could get everything loose. But this bolt is the through bolt for the handle height. Just rusted right through. It's still frozen there. It was frozen onto the other pieces, but some penetrating oil and banging on it with a hammer got it out. Now I think what's left is the transmission is left. The two transmissions. The main one for the power drive and the little differential for the tines. I'm sure that's going to need some attention. What really is a puzzle is how to get this wheel off. And I need to get the wheel off because on the mechanism that raises and lowers the engine, which is what engages the power to the belt, a bolt's head broke off right here, so there's something I got to drill out. Now I could take the whole fitting out, I think. No, I don't think I could take it out. It's probably pressed in there. Could take it out, but how does this wheel come off? There's a lot of cleaning I have to do just to see it. Alright, that's what I'm going to do next.